Ayan, so malapit lang talaga siya guys. So, ano yan? Asan na? Asan na ang office? Provincial. Basta Kapitolyo ng Malaybalay. Hi guys! So today's video is a room tour dito sa accommodation namin dito sa Malaybalay City. So we are here in Malaybalay City. And we are staying here for one night dito sa Green Ridge Hotel or Green Ridge Inn dito. This hotel is located dito sa Capitol Ground. So malapit lang talaga siya dito sa Kapitolyo. So ito yung room. Gubot na dayon. Ayan, so ito yung room guys. Isang double bed. May table dyan. And fan room lang po ito. Hindi, wala siyang aircon. Pero it's okay. Malamig naman dito sa Malaybalay City. Merong window dyan. Pero since maggabi na, wala akong makikita. And nasa basement tayo ang location natin dito. So I don't know. Nasa basement ang location ng room namin. So I don't know if meron pa bang makikita dyan sa window. Ayan. So dito tayo yung banyo. Ha? Baka akong tiil? Ito yung banyo guys. Walang bidet. Pero hot and cold yung shower. May lagayan ng mga gamit. And may mirror dito. Yun lang. Ayan yung Green Ridge. Meron din siyang pagkainan dito sa baba ng building. Ayan, malapit lang talaga siya sa provincial capital of Malaybalay City. Ayan yung Capitol Grounds. Sa tapat lang talaga siya na itong Capitol Compound. So here is another accommodation. Also here in Malaybalay City. The Waterpool Micro Hotel. This is located in Barangay Kasisang. Nasa highway pa rin ng Malaybalay City. So ito yung itsura niya sa front. And yung room namin nasa second floor. At meron din silang lobby dito na pwede kang mag-standby. And now, dito tayo sa hallway ng mga hotel rooms. Tara! Room 208. Room tour tayo, guys. Alright. Pagpasok mo pa lang, may mga lagayan na ng gamit, may table, may tissue, may sabon, may mirror. Ano, wala TV. Ayan yung bed. Wow. Nice. Tapos yung banyo. Lah, kahinay siya nasuga sa banyo. Hot and cold shower. Okay lang. Kahit lang beddings, okay, kaayo. Okay. Ay, wait out.
The next day.
Ayan, so meron silang free hot water. Bali, yung breakfast dito is yung hotel dito is walang breakfast, walang free breakfast, at wala din silang restaurant. So, pero they provide water, hot or cold. So, since meron din naman kaming dalang mga coffee and ganito, okay lang. Kasi guys, hindi pwede yung morning pa na walang pwede yung morning ko na walang hot choco or coffee. Ito yung swimming pool nila guys. So guys, we're going on swimming sa swimming pool. Try namin swimming pool nila dito sa Water Pool Inn. Water Pool Inn ba? Water Pool Inn. Swimming kami guys! Uy! Swimming! So we're done swimming guys. Na-enjoy tayo ni sa swimming. Enjoy kagi.
Enjoy very much.
Nice kayo kay dili kayo lawom ang swimming pool ba. So diri guys, pwede ka diri magluto, no? Oh, pwede magig ka diri magluto, magsugba. Tapos may mga cottage. Oh, gusto ka. Cottage. Oh, kana tag 200 na table. Tag 200.
Unlike in the
Okay. Wala na ako tunong. Not so much.
the entrance of the swimming pool is not so mahal.
How much they are?
It's just 50 pesos
Yeah.
for outsiders. It's not like in Cayenne de Oro na minimum of 150, 250,
Yagi.
450.
Yeah, here kay 50 pesos lang.
And
Tapos
here, it's only 50 pesos.
makasugba-sugba pa.
Sugba-sugba pa rin.
So, nice diri. Limpyo pa lang room.
Yeah. It's very romantic.
Kamu kay Katrin. Nice diri guys. Nice diri, nice. So, dinhi ang agianan no sa kilid. Sa kilid sa hotel. Kaya lang, diri may gaagi sa exit. Kay, ay, onda. Magi man tako diya. Dito guys, yan. Exit yan. So, kanina, di ako muagi, pero pag exit only, so, bumalik ako dito. Ito yung, ha?
Exit, hindi daw mas exit.
Dili, emergency exit only, yun ang sabi. So, dito talaga yung entrance. Dito talaga yung entrance. Another accommodation here sa Malaybalay City is the JB Apartel. So JB Apartel is located dito pa rin sa Barangay Kasisang, a few meters away from Waterpool Micro Hotel. So malapit lang talaga ito sa may City Hall. Merong eskinita fronting 7-Eleven. So pasok lang kayo dyan sa may eskinita and makikita na itong JB Apartel. Hey, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. So, this is their dining area. So, if you have food, mga baon, pwede kayong kumain dyan. Ito naman yung view namin sa labas ng aming kwarto. So ayan guys, ito yung room na kinuha namin dito. It's a twin room, dalawang single bed. That's worth 1,000 pesos. We have an option to get a matrimonial bed and it would cost us a little lower, like 950 pesos yung matrimonial room nila. Kaya lang, we decided to get a double bed or twin room because parang mas malaki kasi kung ididikit namin yung dalawang bed compared to having a matrimonial bed. And also, yung extra bed nila is 300. So in total, we paid 1,300 for this room. Amon tong sabon. So dito sa Malaybalay City guys, hindi pwedeng walang hot and cold shower kasi maginaw yung temperature dito. Sadly, dito sa room namin na ito, hindi gumana yung heater or yung water heater ng aming shower. Okay, so we're checking out. So we're checking out. Ang ganda ng anak ko. Oh, charot. Ano lang matrimonial bed? Ay, room. Dili may maigo kaming tuluan eh. Mas gamay siya, pariyara. Save unto tag 50. So same lang.
Wala sa lagi kong tuwanan.